When we talk about Agwu from the context of creativity, boosting of a person's creative ability, enhancing the person's creative ability, helping a person to be stabilized and focused, and just generally having a direction career wise. So, this is where Agwu, that's the category, that is the function of Agwu. Yeah, be Agwu ne menandom matter. Onye mara agwụ mara ụwa ya. When you know your agwụ, when you know your destiny, when you know your creative ability, you can be well focused and well directed in life. Now, it also comes with people asking this question: does agwụ give money? So it becomes some sort of a literal exchange of, oh, I've performed my agwụ rituals, and because I've performed these rites and rituals that are dedicated to Agwu, it is supposed to automatically generate income and generate